Hey, it's your girl Isha here, Carnivalista and Chief of Events by Ashe, where we plan unique and life-changing Caribbean experiences. And somebody asked the Carnivalista, which is me, will Soca get better the next time I come along? So this is what I can tell you. For our travelers who come along with us to pretty much any carnival, but especially Trinidad Carnival, they think that is the best year of Soca that there ever was, okay? That is just guaranteed every single time. Here's what I can tell you. Coming back again to Trinidad Carnival or to any other carnival, the music is going to be good. The music is going to be great because you will get swept up in the euphoria of being at the Caribbean Carnival. It's not just the music. Listening to the music at home, you know, without going to experience the Caribbean Carnival, and listening to the music when you get to the Caribbean Carnival and you're experiencing this sensory overload around you, it hits different, as they like to say. It hit different. It does hit different, right? You definitely leave every Caribbean Carnival that you go to thinking, oh my goodness, the music was the best that it has ever been. And it has to do with being immersed in the entire experience. So the music is a very big part of having a great time at any Caribbean Carnival that you go to. However, the other piece is getting swept up in the moment, in the feeling. When you are at a fete and your song comes on and your hands are up in the air, drink in hand, jumping up, having a good time. Best time ever, right? You're on the road, you're at Juve, you have paint all over your body or mud or whatever. Your song comes on, you know, the whatever the latest releases that you really, really love. And you get swept up in that moment. You're with your crew, you're with your friends. That is really where the experience is. So thank you for asking that question. And I hope this response helps. And as always, till the next line.